Hey everyone! Now that you've built a solid foundation in cybersecurity concepts, let's shift gears and talk about something specific to your exam prep: PBQs on the Security Plus exam. PBQ stands for Performance-Based Questions, and understanding how they work can make a huge difference on test day. So, what are PBQs exactly? Unlike traditional multiple-choice questions, PBQs are interactive scenarios that test how well you can apply your knowledge in real-world situations. Instead of just choosing A, B, or C, you might be dragging and dropping firewall rules, configuring access controls, identifying threats in a network diagram, or sorting security measures into categories. The goal is to test your hands-on skills, not just what you've memorized. These questions are designed to simulate what you'd actually do in a cybersecurity job. For example, you might get a question asking you to match different types of attacks to their descriptions, or place security controls in the correct order for an incident response plan. You could also be asked to configure settings in a mock user interface, just like you would in the real world. PBQs often appear at the beginning of the exam, though you can flag them and come back later if you prefer to warm up with multiple choice questions first. Just keep in mind that PBQs can take longer, so manage your time wisely. Now, how do you prepare for PBQs? The best approach is to understand the concepts deeply. Know your ports and protocols, security controls, risk management steps, and attack types. Study common scenarios, like setting up a secure network or identifying vulnerabilities, and practice walking through the solutions step by step. It also helps to use interactive labs or simulations while studying. The more hands-on experience you get, the easier it will be to work through PBQs quickly and confidently during the exam. Don't let PBQs intimidate you. They're not trick questions. They're just a different format designed to measure your ability to apply knowledge. And if you've been following this course step by step, you're already on the right track.